Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps Street View. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Explore, Go, Saved, Contribute, and Updates. Well, you have to stay on Explore there. Then on the top of the screen, you can see Search here, restaurants, shopping, coffee, etc. Then on the middle of the screen, you can see different locations there. To have the street view, all you have to do is go ahead, look for or search for the place that you want to go. If not, I'm gonna show you the Pasupati temple there. Just zoom in, then long press on that location. Now once you do that, you can see a small menu will appear from the bottom of the screen with the name of the Pasupatinath Road or any place that you just long pressed on, and right above there you can see a little picture appearing. Just tap on it, then you can see you can drag it. Here's the street view of Pasupatinath temple. And guys, that's it. That's how you use Google Maps Street View. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.